a twin size bed, and we're all like...
Okay, so we just got ready and we're about to head to go take some pictures and stuff. Got the fits on. Let me show you guys my outfit.
So cute. I love it.
Here's, oh, I didn't even introduce everyone. This is Tegan. Here's Josie. It's Annabelle. This is Maya. And we all just got our outfits on. Everyone looks so cute. Have like a bunch of changing clothes for pictures. First stop of our weekend. We're at Stick and Shake right now. We're about to get some pictures to start off our photo shoot weekend.
Like, I could just tell. I feel so bad.
I swear if you flick that towards me, I swear to God.
Do not!
Yeah! I'm hungry. Oh my God! This looks so cute. Oh my gosh, how cute. We're in photo mode. This is stressful. Currently in a bookstore. We are taking over everywhere we go, finding spots to shoot. We just made an outfit change. We're in a Second and Charles right now. I've never been in here, but we're trying to find some potential. Let's find a record area.
What is it? What beat is that? Hannah Montana. You get the limo round front. You are. This is a bookstore.
This is not like, what are we doing? We're oh my God! Starbucks time.
What'd y'all take? Y'all take good pictures.
Okay, so we're with Sarah. She drove to the bookstore to meet us, so we're riding with her back to Annabelle's house.
I'm back here.
We are all drained.
Yeah, we're all really tired.
We're very, very tired. The pictures were very emotionally and physically draining.
Oh my God, we all have that.
You should know. This is either from Sarah or Josie. Oh my God.
Because this is like a big deal. Everyone said her gift was like...
Oh,
I think it's
her. Oh my God.
No later than drop them calls. Give me what I want. Norm and her, that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep her satisfied.
Hello. Hello. Welcome back. It's a little bit later now. We just had dinner. So we're going to Verizon because Annabelle got a new phone. There's our yellow. Yes. And then we're gonna go to Target, play aroround, do some little shenanigans, get some coffee, and then we're going to a trampoline park. And me and her have both never been to a trampoline park. We're gonna jump our little booties off. We're gonna work off all the food we ate today. Oh God, we're gonna get coffee and work it off. So we're at Verizon.
Okay, we're gonna stay out here in the car. Okay, let's talk about Annabelle now. I hate her. Of course, we'll be getting Starbucks.
She's doing her unboxing. Show us it. Oh my God, she got a yellow iPhone.
Oh my gosh.
Yes! Oh my God.
Amazon.
The liquid drink, the best.
Here. Oh my God, me too. I'm so excited. Oh my God.
I look like death, sorry.
Wait, I want to take like a disco of you.
Good morning.
I literally felt like we got like 2 hours of sleep.
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. We all just woke up and I'm so sick. I am so sick. We stayed up till like 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday and my throat is like it feels like knives. Like I just can't, like I already lost my voice. And
Did you guys stay up until all?
me and Maya, she was gone. She was gone. I was by myself. Literally, I have been so bad at vlogging just because I've been having so much fun.
Oh my God, I look so tragic.
No, dude, look at me. But we're about to have coffee and then we're gonna get breakfast. And today we're gonna go to the city. Yeah. And it's gonna be a good old time. Today's our only day with each other, like full day. And I'm very sad about it.
Oh yeah, tomorrow you guys so sad. What the heck?
We basically have a full day tomorrow, but we have to leave. So.
Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. Playtime.
Wow. Yeah, I love that.
flower. With my hair. You guys, we are all dressed and ready. This is my outfit. I really like it, but it's fine. Everyone's dressed. I'm wearing this sweater. Kind of don't like it, kind of hate it, but it's fine. We're rolling out, finally. Just Font City Market, here we come. Hey guys, so we were just driving by this Christmas tree farm. We were like, oh wait, this is actually really cute. So we stopped here for pictures first.
Wait, that's really cute. Yeah.
Miss Vicky's giving us all the picture ideas. Really good ones. Guys, I'm so excited. We got so many good like squad pics. Literally waving down this truck for pictures right now.
The absolute most for pictures.
Oh my god! There's Christmas music. Oh my god. This is so nice.
Where the light
And then I don't feel 5 years old.
Thank you. Ooh, we here, boys. Yeah,
a little bit dead.
Yeah. Okay, so I changed my outfit. I'm wearing this white sweater, belt, my jeans, and my white docs. My poopy jacket babies. Oh, they're so cute.
I can feel people hating us.
People do hate us. Everyone hates us. Vlog squad. And coffee now because we're all dying. I feel like I haven't been talking to the camera at all. I've just forgotten.
Yeah. Okay,
but anyways, I'm here. I'm alive. This is my video. I forgot. We're all getting coffee and something to eat. It's so good. I love this place so much. They have the best coffee. It's lunchtime, honeys. You guys, we've all had a very, very terrible experience in that store. It was terrible. I had it with getting roasted by everyone, everywhere I go. I'm done with it. I'm tired of it.
No more.
It's exhausting. People just are always laughing at me. And it's just like a straw. We're leaving now. We're gonna head to Lenox Square, which is the mall. We got roasted so bad today. It was really bad. I feel very insulted.
A little bit attacked.
Yeah.
Just a little bit triggered.
You guys look so cute with your little MJ.
That people that make fun of YouTubers, either people who aren't strong enough to do it.
Exactly. And we just left, and my third outfit change of the day has occurred. I'm wearing this black bodysuit from Forever 21, this skirt from Urban Outfitters, my black docs now, and then this Levi denim jacket from Urban Outfitters. We're like changing back here. Like, this is our little change.
This is our third change. Like,
Literally
we did that.
Yeah, we did.
Get what you want.
Oh wow.
Whoa. A million couldn't never buy.
He has their seatbelts on, right? Oh shit.
Oh my god. I dropped that camera so bad.
Hi Yasmine, I just want to let you know that you're really pretty. I love you. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna cry when I leave you, and I just don't want you to leave me ever. I love you. You're so pretty. You're so sweet, and you have a big heart, and I love you so much.
Oh no.
You're so funny, and you're good singer, and I love you so much. Hi.
And you're the cutest like person ever. I was so scared to meet you. I'm so glad I did. And like I literally love you so much. And I cannot wait to hang out with you again. You're dead honest the sweetest person I've ever met in my life. You were so sweet. Like I don't know, I just love you so much and you're so nice. And we just connected, you know what I'm saying?
I saw him in concert.
This camera's so bad. Like, you don't understand.
The squad is getting in the Tesla. What are they doing? Hop in, ladies. Never been in a Tesla before.
Hey, how's it going?
I'll take 3.
Sure. All right.
Get in.
Get in, honey. We're going shopping.
Wait, put the door down.
Oh my gosh.
No one's gonna snitch.
Oh my god. They like melt in your mouth. We got some pizza. Me and Sarah are gonna go bring it upstairs. We are all filming videos today, and Sarah's filming a pizza mukbang. Yay! I'm about to fall down these stairs. Look at all these pizzas. Do it! It's mukbang time! About to get started.
Which one? It's I don't know what I'm trying to say.
You're doing good.
You're doing so good.
I was contemplating
We're
whether or
filming a
not I wanted
video
to do
on her
it
channel
for like the longest.
Oh, I have
Maya's
coffee.
video now.
I have coffee.
It's 11 o'clock at night, and we all have our coffee with us. So
We're making a late night run to Racetrack for some
yes, we are.
slushies. Yes.
Oh, those are your jeans. Oh, these are hers.
Those are, oh my god.
Tegan, these are your jeans.
Oh my god, that's so funny. It's literally almost 1 o'clock in the morning. She time, babe. Wow.
You're too excited.
Oops, I'm so sorry.
I cannot take her anywhere.
Shut up. Oh my god, numbskulls. I love numbskulls so much. You guys don't understand my excitement right now. This is my childhood. This is my literal childhood. I love numbskulls. Oh my god. I'm about to make a slushie, okay? I got it.
Oh my god. Do it again. Do 3 seconds. 3, 2. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Can you ow.
Oh my god.
Take them off. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do this?
We gonna get kicked out.
Yeah.
Bye, Felicia's.
Okay, you go first.
Bonding games.
So I answer it, and then we all go in a circle. But you have to answer first.
I'm so sad. I'm crying.
I'm so freaking sad. I don't want her to leave us.
Wait, is this not my
Girly girl gang hug. That was kind of warm. I like that.
I love you guys so much.
I love you. Drive safe.
Bye.
Drive safe.
I love you so much, okay?
Okay.
Be safe, okay?
Okay.
Let us know everything that happens, okay?
Bye.
I just keep him satisfied. Yeah, yeah.